Bitcoin price projection 2023 to 2024. Bittorrent cost started in 2023 at 0.000062. Today Bittorrent exchanged at 0.000048, so the cost decreased by 23 from the beginning of the year. The anticipated Bittorrent costs toward the end of 2023 is 0.000048. And the year-to-year change 23. The change from today to year-end 0%. In 2023, we hope to see 0.000054 per 1 Bittorrent. In the main part of 2024 the cost will move to 0.000057. In the last part the cost would add 0.00003 and close 0.000049. Thursday, July 6th 0.000049. Friday, July 7th 0.000050. On Saturday, July 8th, when is Sunday, July 9th, 0.00005. When is Monday, July 10th, 0.00005. Tuesday, July 11th, 0.000052. USD 0.000053. On Wednesday, July 12th 0.000053. On Thursday, July 13th, July 15th 0.000050. 0.000053. On August 4th, 15. When is September 15th, 0.00005. October 15th, 0.00005, when 0.000050. USD. On November 15th 0.00049. On December 15th, Bittorrent anticipates a 5-year increase from 2025 to 2029. Bittorrent's price would rise from 0.000060 to 0.000 at $02, a 70% increase. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at 0.000060, then fall to 0.00056 in the first half of the year, then complete 2025 at 0.00061, a gain of 27 from today. Bittorrent anticipates 2030 to 2034, when the Bittorrent cost will rise from 0.000010 to 0.000132, a gain of 29%. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at 0.000102, then rise to 0.000108 in the first half of the year, and finish 2030 at 0.000114, a gain of 138% from today. Bittorrent value forecast 2023 to 2024. Bittorrent cost started in 2023 at 0.000062. Today, Bittorrent exchange at 0.000059, so the cost decreased by 5% from the beginning of the year. The determined Bittorrent costs toward the end of 2023 is 0.000053. And the year-to-year change 15. The tumble from today to year-end 10. In 2023, we hope to see 0.00060 per 1 Bittorrent. In the main part of 2024 the Bittorrent cost will move to 0.00062. In the last part the cost would add 0.0004 and close. Bittorrent anticipates a 5-year increase from 2025 to 2029. Bittorrent's price would rise from $0.00066 to $0.000113, a 71% increase. Bittorrent will begin 2025 at 0.00066, then at that point dive to $0.0000062 within the initial half year of the year, and concluded 2025 at 0.00067. That implies plus 14 from today. Bittorrent prediction 2030 to 2034. During this time period, the Bittorrent cost would rise from 0.0000113 to 0.0000145, a 28% increase. Bittorrent will begin 2030 at 0.0000113, then rise to 0.0001200 in the middle of the year, and complete 2030 at 0.0000127, a gain of approximately 115 from now. 5/15/2023 BitTorrent cost expectation 2023 to 2024 BitTorrent cost started in 2023 at 0.000062 today. BitTorrent exchanged at 0.000060, so the cost decreased by 3% from the start of the year. The gadget BitTorrent cost toward the end of 2023 is 0.000056 and the year-to-year change is 10%. The tumble from today to year-end 7 in 2023, we hope to see 0.000064 per 1 BitTorrent in the primary portion of 2024. The BitTorrent cost will BitTorrent expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. BitTorrent cost would move from $0.000052 to $0.000078, which is up half. BitTorrent will begin 2025 at $0.000052, then take off to $0.00055 inside the initial a half year of the year and finish 2025 at $0.000048. That implies 20 from today. BitTorrent projections for 2030 to 2034 during this time, the BitTorrent cost would rise from $0.000078 to $0.000102, plus 31. After the Federal Reserve released its minutes for June, which hinted at more tightening if the central bank thinks it's necessary, Bitcoin and other top crypto tokens went down on Thursday. Even though the market was still strong, investors took some gains off the table. On Thursday, Bitcoin lost even more value. The biggest cryptocurrency token fell another 1% and is now worth less than $30,500. Its biggest rival, Ethereum, also lost about 1% but stayed above $1,900. But most of the price movement in other altcoins was going down. Bitcoin went down after the minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, were made public. But it stayed steady above $30,400 after the CEO of BlackRock said positive things about Bitcoin, said Edel Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex. Bitcoin briefly rose above $31,000 earlier this week, but it has been holding steady above $30,000 as the bullish momentum has slowed down. Still, Bitcoin is still close to the $31,000 level, which he said is an important barrier point to watch in the near future. Except for a few. Most of the top cryptocurrency tokens were selling down on Thursday. Polygon fell about 5%, and Polkadot, Cardano, XRP, and Dogecoin all fell about 3%.